Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be doing a brake breakdown. So for the Mercedes GL, first you're going to want to remove your 20-inch wheels. You're going to want a 17mm socket to do that. After that, you've got to remove your caliper bolts. So it's going to be the one here and here. And you're going to want a 21mm socket to do that. And those are your two bolts. After that, you've got a bracket you need to remove, and you can do that with a nice big flathead screwdriver. You've also got these two caps. So they go on the back side of here. They pop in just like that in there. So you can use a smaller flathead to pop off the caps. And then you will need a 9mm hex key to go in there and be able to loosen off those. And then once you get your caliper and your brake pads off, secure the caliper up top. You're going to want to remove your rotor. The rotor, to remove the motor, you have to remove this. This sits right in there. So for that, you're going to want to use this, and you can get that out. And then of course, once all that is removed, you can remove the rotor itself, and that's what it will look like. And to put everything back together, you'll just have to obviously compress the piston to be able to get the brake pads in, and just put everything back in reverse order and torque to spec. So that is the brake breakdown for the front brakes of the Mercedes GL.